Okay. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're almost there. Slow moving back here.
What is up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm a little worried with what's going on underneath the house. Let me show you. So we've lived in this house about 3 years now, and I've always known since we got here that I need to get under this house and clean out all the trash that was left under here from the previous owners. I've never gotten around to it. What made me get under there and see what was going on was we heard the cats underneath the house playing, walking around on the ductwork. We could hear it clanging, and they were messing stuff up down there. So I was like, all right, let me get down there and see what they're messing up. I found where they like to sneak in at. So up in this corner right here, I just removed that gutter. Up in this corner, there's a hole right down in there where they can get under the house. When it's 17 degrees outside, it's a lot warmer under that house than it is out here. But they're messing stuff up. Whiskers, one of our oldest cat, has she's the one that's really messing stuff. She's down there running around, playing hard. It's like her own little personal jungle gym down there. I'll go under there and show you what is going on that I found. I didn't go down there to look for this. I went down there to see what the cat was messing up, and looks like the wall is caving in on our house. Before we go in there, I just want to show you real quick all the trash and stuff that I've pulled out from underneath that house. This is a wood pile, which was eaten up a lot by termites. A lot of the wood was. So I'm gonna have to do a really, really close inspection to make sure the termites didn't get into the floor. You can tell the termites just hollowed this board out right here. And then here's a trash pile of metal, some copper. All this was just laying on underneath the house. Looks like an old heater. Tin, aluminum, copper, some old pipes. It's like whenever they replaced a pipe down there, they just left the broken one down there. All this is plastic trash. Plastic and some insulation. Pipes after pipes after pipes. So whenever a pipe froze and broke or something happened underneath that house, they left the pipe under there and replaced it. Let's go under there right now. Oh man, show you what is going on. Oh, no idea how much you guys are gonna be able to see, but we will do our best. I'm all suited up. Hopefully someone has some tips for me. Made me ease my my nerves a little bit because there's a wall caving in under my house, and hopefully it's not affecting the house itself. It is a trailer, and you'll be able to see because it's on pillars. Pillars look fine, but this wall caving in is worrying me. So let's go into there and look. We'll have to go all the way to the back wall. So let's start crawling. We're getting close. There's the hole, and there's a pillar right there. And right behind that pillar right there is a retaining wall holding back the earth. And that retaining wall is leaning towards us at about a 45-degree angle. It has fallen down to the left over there of that pillar. Come on, let's get closer. Okay. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're almost there. Slow moving back here. Let's pull out as much light as we can. Try to illuminate this for you. Oh, it's tight down here, it's tight. So here's what I'm looking at, guys. This is the retaining wall, and dirt has fallen through that wall. It doesn't look like it's messed with any of the pillars though. It looks like they were having that problem before we moved in, or they wouldn't have had this brace here. That wall's leaning really, really bad. What I am worried about is it's starting to push on that pillar back there, back behind it. It has not got to this pillar over here. So, before we have a complete catastrophe, somehow I'm gonna need to dig this out, I guess,
and restack the bricks, restack the cinder blocks. Is that what I should do? Y'all let me know down in the comments if that's what I should be doing there. Dig this out and then restack the blocks. Because we are on a hill, and this is holding back the hill from going underneath the trailer. I'm going to show you all the way to the back. There's more pillars. The other pillars, I'm sitting right beside one right here. It doesn't look like they've like shifted or anything. It doesn't look like that wall over there has moved or is leaning either. So my initial, holy crap, my house is going to cave in, thought when I first saw that a couple days ago is starting to subside. The dogs are above me, they can hear me. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sure I've got some people on here that's got way more experience than me at something like this, but I'm hoping all I need to do is move all this dirt and cinder blocks, rebuild the wall, leave it at that. There's still crap all in here that I'm trying to pull out. Pieces of metal, wires just hanging down everywhere, pipes. The amount of cobwebs that were down here were absolutely ridiculous. I need to fix the vent going outside for the dryer because now it is shooting right underneath the house. To be honest with you, I don't even remember seeing a vent for the dryer going outside of the house. So if I had to guess, they've always been venting it underneath the house. There's definitely a hodgepodge down here of do-it-yourself work. It's not a long-term thing for us. We just need to get through the next few years. But this is what's worrying me right now. And please guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I am not the best in tight spots either. I have to, when I've been down here crawling around, getting stuff out, I tend to get overheated a little bit. I have to sit and meditate and calm my brain. Because tight spots, I don't know, something about tight spots I do not like. I don't like being confined like that. It's pretty cool. It's been a good exercise for me to overcome a fear of tight spots. I'm definitely gonna I'm gonna be working under here for probably a couple of weeks, so it's a good time to get over that fear, right? All right, let's crawl back out of here. We gotta go to the light. Come to the light, Bill. Go to the light. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think. Thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe if you need to. Later.